Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Employee Payroll Management System. This is part 26, I believe. And in this tutorial, I learned how to calculate the deduction of an employee. So the first thing we need a table in our database to hold all the information that we have. So we open our database here. I'm going to provide a code. Link in the description box below. Download it and you'll have all the code that you need for this tutorial. So head over to your database here. Have the database, my database. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to execute SQL here, and you're going to copy and paste the code I provided, just like that. And you're going to do run SQL, and you're going to see your table here going to be created. Just double click. You're going to see the structure, and you can browse. You can see we got the ID, the first name, the surname, the salary, deduction, the score amount, deduction reason, emp ID, and made by. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to here, and we're gonna create a new Java class. So we're gonna right click here, new JFrame form. What you're gonna do, you're gonna name it to Deductions, and you're gonna click on Finish. And now we're gonna design what we need. So basically, we need a search bar. So we're gonna add a label here. We're gonna call it search, or you can say just employee ID, and you're gonna have a text field here, very long, and you can delete what's inside. I'm gonna right click here. I'm gonna say change variable to txt search, and click OK. And there we have it. So now we're gonna add the employee ID here as well. Just make it lowercase. So anything we search is gonna pop up to the fields that we're gonna have now, so we can see the employee before we add the deduction to that employee. So you'll need a text box here, like that, and I'll make it 124. That's fine. And you're gonna delete everything inside, and you're gonna change the variable to txt, let's say ID, and you're gonna click OK. And then the next one, it's gonna be the first name. So you're gonna go here, and you're gonna say first name. You're gonna add the text field. You're gonna delete everything, and you're gonna rename it to txt first name. Okay, and now you're gonna need a label for the surname, and you're gonna have the text field here again, and we're gonna rename it to txt surname. And then you'll need you'll need the date of birth, just like that, and you need a text field, just like that here, right? Let's do this. Nope. Java's crazy. You crazy today. Crazy Java. Right. And you're gonna change it to txt dob, which is shortcut for database if you did not know. And here you're gonna say department, right? And you're gonna have a text field here as well, just like that. Right. Delete everything inside, change the variable txt, and DEP, just show department. And you're gonna have a label here as well. And we're gonna name it to designation. Text field here, say 24. Right, and you're gonna rename it to txt dzig. Yeah, dzig. Yeah, that sounds good. And here, just here like that, right? We're gonna name it to status. Text field, and here, just delete, rename, txt, status, and you're gonna say like that, right? And you're gonna say date hired, and you're gonna do this, just like that. And you're gonna say DOG, which is date of join, and you're gonna place a label here, just like that. Just move this here just a little bit, right? Just move this here a little bit, right? So we're gonna say the job title, just like that, just whatever, like that. Delete and txt, and then you're gonna say job, just say job, whatever. Um, you can rename this to whatever you want, but just to say this is the sake of the coding that I'm doing. Salary. You're gonna add it like that. If you only need like 4 fields or whatever, you just need to see the first name or the surname and the ID. You can just do that. I'm doing the long way. Txt salary. And okay. So now, whenever we search an employee ID, this field is going to be filled with the information about the employee, so we can see what employee to edit. Um, right. So now we'll need to update the uh, salary deduction by a percentage or by an amount. So you can deduct from the employee salary by the percentage or the amount. So you're gonna need a label here, and we're gonna say update the salary by, and we're gonna have 2 radio buttons. The first button here, that button is gonna renamed to R percentage. Oh, sorry, I mean percentage, and we can open a bracket here and percentage sign, and then you're gonna rename the variable to to R percentage. Yep. And the second one here, you can rename it to amount. You can add a dollar sign here, or you can whatever. Just I'm just doing it like that. You can do just customizable, bro. So or let's call it amount. Okay. So now we have these. So now we're gonna need the text field. So we're gonna say here percentage. So you can here enter the percentage number that you want, and then our code is gonna pick it up. So you're gonna change it txt percentage. Okay. And another one for the amount, just like that. And you're gonna have the text field here, and just like whatever, just like that. And then you're gonna say, let's say, txt deduction, just a deduction amount. Okay. And now we need to display the calculation of these. So we'll have a label here. We'll call it total deduction, just like that. And we're gonna have another label here, and then we're gonna say 0.00. And you're gonna right click, you're gonna go to properties, and you're gonna go to font here, click like that, and you're gonna go bold 14. Okay, close. Bam, there you go. That looks decent. So the other one here, the zeros, just like that, right click, properties, the font here, you're gonna click here, bold, 14, okay, close. There you go. So now we need the salary after deduction. So we're gonna say salary after deduction. And you can add the zeros again, just like that. 0.00. And you're gonna repeat it. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna right click, properties, font. You're gonna click, bold, 14, okay, close. There you go. Right click, properties, font, click here, bold, 14, okay, close. There you go. There you have it. And then we have the reason for the deduction. So we're gonna say reason. And we're gonna have a text field here, just a long ass text field, like that. Right click, change txt, let's say reason. Okay. And we're gonna have 3 buttons, not one, not two, but 3 buttons. One is save, one is calculate, and one is for clearing everything here. So let's drop the buttons. Where's the buttons? Yeah, there you go. Here's one button here, and that's the second button, and that's the third button. And this is gonna be the save, calculate, and clear. And you're gonna do this, you're gonna do it like that, whatever, just whatever you want, right? It's your program to do whatever you want. There you go. So now we need the ID of the employee that that's gonna log in with. So we're gonna. Oh, that looks really weird. We're gonna do this. Right. Right. Okay. So we're gonna drop 2 labels. That's 1, and that's 2. And you're gonna rename this to logged in as. And then you're gonna say here EMP. And you're gonna change it here to LBL emp. Okay. And now we are done with the design. So now we can add the code that we need to run this program. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your source code here. You're going to save. So what you're going to do, right, you're going to copy this, you're going to paste it here, and then you're going to copy these, and then you're going to paste it here like that, just like that. Sorry about that. It's gone here. Right. So you're gonna click here. Add import for Java, yes. Add import, yes. Add import like that. Add import like that. Add import. Right. And you're gonna save it. And now you're gonna go to your design. I'm gonna click on this, the search bar, txt.search, and you're gonna right click, and you're gonna go to events, key released. And it's going to take you here, see here, txt search key release. And just under it, you're going to paste the code that I provided for the search, which is this one here. Just like that. Just like that. And you're going to find an error here. You're going to click on it. You're going to say add import java swing.g option pane. You can click on it like that. And there you go. So you're going to save that now. And what you're going to do, you're going to test this. So what you're going to do, you're going to right click, you're going to run. And you're going to search for the employee. So you're going to go to your database and you're going to check the staff information. I have nine, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to search for number 6. Let's say 6. There you go. Employee 6, first name, surname, date of birth, whatever, sales, active, whatever here. Says exact. And this is the salary. So you're going to close it. So that works now. So you're gonna design again, and you're gonna here, you're gonna double click here, like that, and there you go here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna paste this here, just like that, and there you go. And now for the second one, you're gonna save it. And now for the second one, you're gonna go to design, and you're gonna double click here. There you go. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just copy the code and paste it here that I provided. And we're gonna test this, so you're gonna save, you're gonna right click here, you're gonna get run. And you see, there you go. Whenever you click on the percentage, this closes. Whenever you click on the amount, the percentage get cleared and the amount opens. So you can choose only one, either the percentage or the amount to deduct from your employee. So you're gonna close that and save again. Now what you're gonna do, we're gonna add the record, so you're saving the record. So you're gonna double click here, and you're gonna go here. This is the button here, right? Do you double click here like that? Yeah, there you go. So you're gonna cut and paste whatever I gave you. So you're gonna go right here. You're gonna paste it. There you go. I forgot to name something here, which is this. txt, we'll call it, let's call it DE, let's say total, yeah, let's say total, right? And here, let's say label, let's say Sal, whatever. And this one, you're gonna go back to it and you're gonna say label total. There you go. And you can save it. You're gonna go back to your source code and the error is gone. And now you're gonna do, we're gonna add the calculation of the amount here. So you're gonna double click on the calculate, and you're gonna paste this code right here. And there's one more line of code that you're gonna paste it here up like that. So you're gonna remove this too. This is just for me. Yours will be, don't worry about the errors. I'm gonna provide you with the code that doesn't need to be edited. So you're gonna save that, and there's an error here somewhere. Right. I think you need to close it here, right? Just close it here, right? Save. And now you're gonna right click and you're gonna go hit run. And let's test this at the number 6, let's say 2%. Calculate. There you go. 2% is 240. And the amount will be 11,760. Right. So if we click on the amount, let's say the amount is $40. Calculate, that's 40. The balance is 11,960, but we did not save it yet, so it's nothing changes. So you're gonna close that, and the final thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to clear, double click, and you are going to paste this like that, like that. Then you're gonna save it. You're gonna right click, run. And now let's test the code. So number 6 brings it the employee percentage, say 2%. Let's say the reason is whatever. And you're gonna click calculate, and there you go. And you're gonna click on save. Are you sure into our record? Yes. Data is saved successfully. Okay. I'm gonna clear everything. So now if I check the database, you can see the deduction was 240. If I deducted 6, if I deducted 2%, and the reason is whatever, and the imp ID that I changed is 6. Made by 0 because I haven't logged in yet, but if I logged in, you're going to see here the imp ID. That's about it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more guides for these tutorials. Thank you.